What's up, guys? Happy Sunday by the time you're watching this. I got a fun little, I guess you could call it upgrade or mod to the C5 Z06. Looks pretty straightforward. It's the Stubby Stubby antenna. However, it's not the conventional one. It's the one that looks like a bullet shell or casing. So, yeah, it looks pretty neat. I saw it, I said, hey, why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. And also today, I wanted to go ahead and see how the quote-unquote ceramic is holding up. It's been almost a month, so I'll give that a quick wash too. Alright, got the old one off. It surprisingly took a little bit of effort to get the damn thing off. And there's no real hex on it. So you had to just use a wrench to get it off. It was on there pretty good. Some kind of, if I can focus there, coating in there. I can't focus, come on now. In any case, there's something on the threads. I don't know, Loctite or something. I don't know what it is, but it took forever to get off. But it's off, so I'm going to go ahead and throw on the bullet one. And we'll take a look. Alright, and there you have it. It's on there. The Stubby. Hope no one steals it. But what are the kids saying? Yeah, it's pretty dope. Yeah, I was not a fan of the stock one at all. It just looked dated. This one's kind of neat. It's roughly 5 inches. So, cool. I'm happy with it. What's next for mods? And boom, just like that, the sun's out. It's a nice day today. Let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up and see how the old ceramic's holding up. I like the little stubby bullet, by the way. It's pretty cool. Alright, cold start. Inbound. Yeah, the foam is just sheeting right off, so I guess that's a good sign. Alright, got her soaked up, rinsed off, and let's see if it's still, see if we can still blow it off with the leaf blower as easily as we did before. drying this off, and we'll do a hydrophobic test. All right, got her all dried up. She looked pretty good, not too bad. So we'll go ahead with the hydrophobic test and see how it beats water. It's okay. It's not nearly as what it was a month ago. So this is kind of a litmus test to see if this was worth the shit. But yeah, I probably will go ahead and do a proper ceramic with that little bottle soon. But it's okay for what it is. Not terrible. She's pretty though. So, alright guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Later.